material later on. I assure you. John's going to be like,
Tim, who are we looking at right now?
It's moments to go before the final break. The last round, the World Championships.
Very
Sponsored
nice.
by Rusty Surfboard. And she's about to pick her cue.
Hey, where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, it's all set up. You what? For the next game.
It's all set up for the next game, so she said. Lisa Jordan has been playing on the circuit for about how long, Tim, you think? About
Several years.
several years, if not several minutes. She's become what people know as a hack, which in the terms in the Pacific Northwest would be an expert, I do believe. Yes,
She
indeed.
comes up with some pretty amazing shots, though.
Imaginative at best.
Yes, yes.
I remember the last time it was the tournament in Dallas-Fort Worth, 2003, where she actually got up on the table and started doing the rump shake. It really caused the judges to come in quite a stir.
Yes.
Ultimately, disqualification ensued, but still...
That wasn't me, that was Amy.
Oh, that was Amy.
Had to be paid.
Still, I think everybody got their money's worth, and tips were transferred to and fro. It was a lovely, lovely tournament. Ed's our commentator on the floor. Ed, how's the action down on the field?
it's pretty slow here. Sure.
Yeah, we hired Ed on a contract basis.
Sort of a pay-as-you-go.
That's right. That's right. Well, since that we're at halftime, let's go to our musical entertainment. What?
Get rid of the couch.
Yeah.
Make a wide bar right here.
Oh my God.
Put some stools up.
And then you can watch the pool game.
You're gonna move it anyway.
I'm gonna put a bar up here. Oh, okay.
Paper, rock, scissors.
Wait, I got it.
That's what I said.
It is.
Tails. Heads.
It's heads. I saw it with the video cam. Leave it, Ed. You can have it. Really, it's yours. It's for the best.
No throwing money around the house.
That's right. So you guys, you can compete. Hey, Lisa, did you want to partake with you?
Oh, no, thank you. You know I can't do both.
The ball after that.
Oh no, what? That can mean anything. Here we are at halftime. The entertainment festivities. Chris and Jim, sing. No? No? Okay. Chris, dance. No. Jamie, dance.
Thank you. You're so bad.
I'll dance.
Cost you a
See, I'm dancing.
Oh, baby. Step back, ladies. He's married.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.